What if I told you that tiny changes could lead to extraordinary results? Jim Rohn once said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." In this video, I'll share 10 small habits inspired by his wisdom that can truly change your life forever. Stay tuned. This might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into the power of small habits. Those little things you do every day that seem insignificant but can create massive change over time. These 10 habits, inspired by the legendary Jim Rohn, are simple, practical, and guaranteed to help you grow personally and professionally if you stick with them. Let's jump right in. Habit number 1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Jim Rohn believed that mornings set the tone for your entire day. By waking up just 30 minutes earlier, you can create time for self-reflection, planning, or even quiet moments of gratitude. Those extra minutes could be the secret to starting your day with purpose. Habit number 2. Read 10 pages a day. Rohn always said, "Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary." Just 10 pages a day can expose you to new ideas, improve your mindset, and develop your skills over time. Imagine the knowledge you'd gain in a year. Habit number 3. Practice the slight edge. Focus on doing one small thing slightly better each day. Whether it's improving your communication, saving a little more money, or spending 5 minutes extra at the gym, the slight edge principle can help you build momentum towards success. Habit number 4. Journal your thoughts and goals. Rohn often emphasized clarity of purpose. Take 5 minutes every day to jot down your thoughts, ideas, and goals. This practice helps you stay grounded, track progress, and make better decisions. Habit number 5. Develop a gratitude practice. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Start or end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This small habit shifts your focus from lack to abundance, keeping you positive and motivated. Habit number 6. Plan your day the night before. Don't start your day until it's finished on paper, Jim Rohn advised. Spend 10 minutes each evening outlining your priorities for the next day. This reduces stress and sets you up for success before you even wake up. Habit number 7. Limit your screen time. Rohn believed in the power of focus. Evaluate how much time you're spending on social media or watching TV and set boundaries. Reinvest that time into something productive, like learning or self-improvement. Habit number 8. Practice active listening. Communication is a two-way street. By becoming a better listener, you'll improve your relationships and understand others more deeply. As Rohn said, "The better you are at communicating, the greater your influence." Habit number 9. Invest in your health. Your health is your wealth. Rohn stressed the importance of physical well-being. Exercise regularly, eat balanced meals, and make small changes that add up to a healthier lifestyle. Habit number 10. Give without expectation. Giving is better than receiving because giving starts the receiving process, Rohn said. Find small ways to give, whether it's a compliment, your time, or assistance. You'll create a ripple effect of positivity in your life and others. And there you have it. 10 small habits that can change your life forever. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent small actions taken every day. Start with one habit, stick with it, and watch your life transform. As Jim Rohn put it, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. Which habit resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.